Hi guys, today in this video we are going to review this product. This is a most popular product nowadays. The product name is Synoshi brush. Okay, so you should purchase this product on this website or not, and what are the problems you are going to face if you are going to purchase this product on this website. So let's get started. After watching my video, you don't need to watch any other video. First of all, I'm going to tell you that the product is available on lots of stores, and as you can see, this product is also available on, you can say, Amazon, but the name is little bit different, but the working model of the product is same. And if we talk about, you can say, these type of brushes is easily available on Amazon also. Okay, and if we talk about the ratings is not clearly mentioned on each you can say product. Each product is differently, and you can say each product rating is different. So we are not going to discussing about ratings and all. So first of all, we are going to talking about the reviews, or you can say what are the pros and cons of this product. First of all, my dear friends, I'm going to tell you that the website is legit, there is no doubt. And if we talk about, you will definitely get the product when you place your order. And if we talk about the what are the main problems of this product, as you can see, this website, or you can say this product, is listed on Trustpilot, and they have approx 1800 total reviews on, you can say, Trustpilot. And on Trustpilot, 30% reviews are negative. And when we research on negative reviews, what we find? We find that you can say most of the customers, you should read each negative review, and then you should place any order on this website for this brush. Okay, so the each reviews is talking about, like, you can say, they place only one product but they get 2 or 3 products. This is the first common issue. And the second common issue, most of the users, or you can say customers, when they want to contact with their customer support team, they did not receive a call, and they did not you can say they did not getting reply from their customer support team, and they refuse to cancel the order also. So they are not able to cancel their order. And if we talk about another, you can say, another problem, that is, when they place order, they place a minimum order. You can say they placed a little bit amount order, like one product, and they will charge 4 to 5 products. As you can see, almost $200 they have charged. Okay, suddenly my order was almost $200. So they are trying to scam with the customers, and when the customer want to cancel their order, and when the customer want to return the product, they refuse returns, and they are refusing to cancel their orders and all. So these are the basic scams of the, you can say, brand. So my suggestion is only this: before purchasing any product on this website, first read Trustpilot reviews and then go for further. Okay, so I'm going to end this video over here. If you like the video, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.